Hello guys and welcome back. Today we will configure an aggregate interface in a firewall policy on a FortiGate firewall. So what is the aggregate interface? By its name you can understand that it combines and multiple interfaces. So we have one FortiGate device here and one Cisco switch and one VPC. So we will use two protocols, which is the LACP protocol for Cisco switch. So let us start now. Let us configure the firewall. Config system interface, edit port 1, set mode DHCP, set allowness, say end, show system interface. This is our IP address to access the GUI. Let's come to the network and interfaces. So we will configure port 2 and port 3 as an aggregate interface. We will create a new interface. And here the type will be aggregate. It's 802.3AD. It's an ID standard FortiGate. Let us call it an aggregate. The interface members will be port 2 and port 3. We will give an IP address 10.1.1/24. We will enable the ping and HTTP. We will enable a DHCP server. Now we have created an aggregate interface. Let's come and create a static route. Let's come here to the firewall policy to create firewall policy. LAN 1, our coming interface will be the aggregate. Outgoing will be port 1. Source will be all. Destination will be all. And serves will be all. Let us create a reserve policy. Will be our port 1. This will be our aggregate interface. All will be 1 to LAN So now let us configure the switch. Enable Fortigate Interface range E0-1 switch trunk capsulation.1q switch node trunk. Now let us configure the channel. Protocol will be LACP. Channel group 1 mode will be active. And to right. Now let us check our Internet channel summary. Let's come to our interface. Our aggregate interface is up. Now we check our firewall policy. It is up. So now let us check the PC. It can get an IP address. Let's check if it can access the internet by pinging server Google. Yes, we have an internet access. So this is how to configure the aggregate interface on the FortiGate Firewall. We have these two interfaces. P is handling in port channel. So our FortiGate, our aggregate interface is working good. So this video is how to configure an aggregate interface on FortiGate. Thank you.